Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol AAPL, Apple. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. I'm not sure what I mean by 30-minute. I do offer an explanation video at that link. Well, quite the eventful day on this one. Apple continues to just grind and grind. Not really any explosive movements, just slow and methodical, drifting in the upwards direction, and sometimes those are definitely the healthiest movements that you can see. So moral of the story, a lot of eyeballs going to be watching this one headed into next week. So let's map out some areas of support, and then we can talk levels of resistance. So the first level of support is what I would call the ideal level. And if you say, Clay, what would make this chart look the absolute strongest? That would be if the price can stay above 138. Now, don't get me wrong. If the price falls below 138, I'm not saying the entire chart's destroyed or ruined or anything like that. But yeah, if the price could manage to stay up above that area, that would certainly be a fantastic sign of power moving forward. Taking a step back and looking at all this from the bigger picture point of view, that is where the purple line there comes into play, the 50-period simple moving average, keyword being moving. So as time goes by, that line is going to move itself higher and higher and get more and more relevant, which is helpful because when it comes to gauging the health of the move, that right there being defined as the move, just watch that purple line. As long as the price stays above that line, as the line itself moves higher and higher, then the bulls are in full health, the bulls are in full control. How you must visualize that, that is what is being represented. Again, sure, staying above 138 would be fantastic. But from the grand scheme of it all, as long as the price is above that purple line, the bulls 100% own the chart. In terms of areas of resistance, going to have to actually squeeze down the chart here quite a bit here because it has been a long time. Or is this an all-time highs, is it? I don't know. Let's go to the daily time frame real quick. Oh, it is. It's breaking an all-time highs here. Well, on that note, then, yeah, basically blue sky breakout at this point in time. So, 140 probably more so the accurate area of resistance. But if the price can break above 140, then for sure at that point, no dispute, that would be officially blue sky breakout territory. But hey, that's a good problem to have when you're not quite sure where resistances are because it's knocking on the door of all-time highs. But all in all, the momentum continues. So let's see what Apple has to offer next week. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.